Hello, good morning. Nagaland Police Constable de written exam di thakia candidate khange khushi kubur ekta ase ki Nagaland DGP Ropin Sharma ba chwa gali khushi ki written test laga marks kan doile error minimize kuribo karne recheck kuri ase goshe result do hoile chulde declare kuri dibo goina janai dishe Mukuk chung de baba ekta ra tai nijo laga minor bacha ekta ke sexually assault kura karne Mukuk chung police kamba accused manu ke arrest kurishe goina officials kamba chagali witness say din de confirm kurishe report laga hisab de hatsa do hele February 16 de hoishe goyase accused manu do hele minor bacha laga baba ase goina identify kurishe goyase accused manu ke February 7 din laga sam de hi police laga custody de ase goshe Sub Divisional Police Officer Mogok Chung laka hisab de ko ase ki accused laka khilaf de Protections of Children from Sexual Offense Act laka alag relevant sections laka hisab de case to register guri gana itia investigation doile chai ase goshe minor bacha laka privacy maintain guri gana Mogok Chung police kambra further details kan share guri bole deny guri dishe Mawa Wallace Council Kanbrado hele Matilaka Mamla opor de social media de Jati Macho de Chamala Olawole laka kota kan phelai thakia opor de Mizifima Police Station de social media user laka khilaf de FIR file kurishe gushe Wallace Council Chairman Sumin Lal Waife aro WDB Secretary Pomin Lal Bram Facebook user nam Lalpoi Kipchen laga khilaf de February 16 de FIR do file kurishe hoise Mizivima Subdivision Police Station laga officer in charge ke complaint likhya ge gwase ki Mao Busti laga mati mamla opor de 14 February de WhatsApp de message kan circulate kuri thaki she goi ase taikhan go ase ki land dispute to ele purely local thaki she goi ase hoile bi accused manu bra issue opor de misrepresent guri gana tuita jati majo de chamla olawole laka kotha kan phelai thaki she goi ase tai laka boss to hoile community harmony thakage biya kurubole tuita jati majo de tension create kurubole peace aro law and order biya kurubole laka statement thaki she goi ase tai laga post to hele sandi thakage biya hi kura nohoi gena pusti aro community macho laga reputation bi biya kuri she goi ase council bra edu karne relevant sections laga hisab te case soile register kuri gena accused manu ke arrest kuribole laga janai dishe Wallace Council Chairman bra FIR laga opor de confirm kuri gena gushi ki council kan bra February 16 de FIR file kurishe holebi itia dak police khan laga side bra idu laga opor de ku khobor nai gushe tai gushi ki Facebook user bra post toile delete kuri dishe aro Facebook account bi delete kuri dishe goi ase sources pa confirm kuri na ko ase ke FIR receive kura bichede police kan ba investigation do jai ase holebi itia dak kun manu ke bi arrest kura nai gushe Nagaland Chief Secretary Cindy Younger M. Jimbra, Jagali Wednesday dinte Nagaland Civil Secretary Conference Hall de Administrative Head of Department aro Head of Department kan logode meeting loa dem de taibra kwa seke PC Bak Senior Officers kando hoile chuti noloi gana nijo laga station chari gana jai kwa ase tai remind guri gana kwa seke Administrative Head of Department laga kimanda officials kan ase nijo laga station nachara akide Chief Secretary lokode permission mangibo lake koi ase Head of Department kan to hele respective administrative head laga approval lobo lake koi ase Chief Secretary bra AHOD aro HOD khan ke remind grina ko ase ke discipline doile restore kuribi koi ase Chief Secretary bra aru koi ase ki officers kan workshop noile meeting kan attend kura doile hushar kuribi koi ase departmental laga relevant function de hi focus kuribole laga janase bishi bar bra absent hoi thakia bra kam kura de disrupt kuri goshe Dimapur Police Kambra February 17 de flyover laga niche de 55 to 60 sal laga non-local unidentified mota ekta laga dead body recover kuri she ase Dimapur Police Kambra khobor kuri de ase ki tai khan ge traffic control office bra dead body ase koina khobor paishe ase edu laga hisab de police kan spot te jai gana dead body toile recover kuri she ase body de palbra inquiry kora biche de taikhan bra koi dishi ki muri ja do hele phuk lagia bra noile bimar bra hobo nisna ase koina suspect kora laka janai dishe legal formalities kan sob toile complete kuri gana dead body toile Timabo District Hospital de postmortem examination garne padai dishe hoya ase police kambra kor khandan khan ge East Police Station Officer in charge ke contact kurubole laka janai dishe Mizoram laga Governor General Vijay Kumar Singh Bragway seki 2025 aru 26 laga machote security force aro enforcement agency kan bra 1047 crore laga trucks kan doile sis kurubole parishe goi ase tamul kuti mutu arms aro explosive aro nagli poisa kan thakishe goi ase aro tate bishi manujon ke bi arrest kurishe goi ase Governor ba janai dia ase ki 2025 aru 26 laga machote Mizoram de law and order situation do hele BC Sandi thakishe goi ase idu do hele police kan laga phal kam brahi ase goshe Governor goshe ki interstate aro international border strength guribo karne Assam Rifle aro Border Security Force kan logode coordination kuri kana ase goi ase illegal trucks aro smuggling kura laka opor de bi phalba progress chai ase goshe tai goshe ki state te drugs trafficking aro substance abuse toile PC serious concern ekta hoishe goi na bi janai dishe Assam de Immigrant Act 1950 laga under de December 20 2025 pra loi gana January 31st 2026 laga macho de 52 individuals ke identify kuri gana 51 ke foreigner declare kurishe aro ekjon ke illegal immigrants ase goi gana taikhan ke country bra expel guri dishe goi ase Assam Accord Implementation Minister Abdul Burabra janai dia ase ki Ministry of Home Affairs laga directive hisab te February 1st 2025 pra loi gana January 31st 2026 laga macho te aha laga illegal foreigners ka 1421 ke nijo laga jaga de wapas patai dishi koina tai bra Assam Assembly de joagali Wednesday den de khobor kurishe Ajila khobor iman de khatam kuri di ase jidi kumba manu nutun thakile morom bra subscribe kuri dibi like aro share bi kuri dibi gona janai di ase thank you